Welcome everyone to BPW Goes Digital. This initiative is to bring BPW into a digital era, and it is initiated by Dr. Ann Hilty and myself, along with trainers and presenters who are young BPW members from across the globe. The topic for today is social networking for BPW, and the presenter for today is Luciana Yamamoto. She is a young representative of BPW Concordia in St. Martin's. She has a master's degree in management, and she is working as a managing marketing manager and assistant manager. With this, I would like to welcome our speaker, Luciana. Now the floor is all yours.
Hi everyone, so let's talk about social networking for BPW. First, the first definition that I find it's always on Wikipedia. So what is social networking? Is the use of dedicated websites and application to interact with other users or to find people with similar interests. But what exactly is social networking? Social networking is the use of internet based on social media sites to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both. Through sites has Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagrams, and so much more. Social networking has become a significant base for marketers, same for engaged customers. Despite some stiff competitions, Facebook remains the largest and most popular social networking with over 2 billion people using the platforms. Imagine that 2 billion people, that's a lot. And then it comes in order to popularity, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest. All of that is according to statistica.com. You can go there and you can see everything what's going on social media. So BPW members should do the same, and I'm sure a lot of you are using already this tool. It can be used to promote yourself, promote what you're doing for your club, for your community. Let people know, let your friends know, then they will share, and then let it goes viral. One little thing can go viral so fast, and we all know that. So as a member, you can use social networking, same as company celebrities are doing actually. I'm talking a lot about companies and customers because it works the same thing. Everything that they're doing, we can also do. We can also use those tools to market our brand, to market our club, to market ourselves. So let's talk about social networking or social marketing. Then you can see the difference, but they are also a little bit similar. So social networking, the activity of sharing information and communicating with groups of people using the internet, especially through websites that are designed for this purpose, is the process of creating, building, nurturing virtual communities and relationships between people online. And now social media marketing, sorry, is designed to create social change, not directly benefit a brand. So social marketing, I'm not gonna sell anything. Using traditional marketing techniques, it raises awareness of giving a problem or a cause and aims to convince an audience to change their behaviors. So instead of selling the product, social marketing sells a behavior or a lifestyle that benefits the society in order to create the desire to change. This benefits the public good is always the primary focus. And instead of showing how the product it's better than the competing products. So instead of showing my Coca-Cola is better than my Pepsi, or my orange juice from my backyard is better than my neighbor's backyard. It's not all of that. Instead of showing that, social marketing competes against undesirable thoughts, behaviors, or actions. So this is how they use it. So they market a brand, but they are using what's going on around it to market, to get people's audience. So again, has BPW member club, you can use the same thing. We can use the club talking about what's going on out there to brand what do you want to brand, to share and talk about and get people to know BPW, to get people to come in our page. But how social networking works. Marketers use social networking for increasing brand recognition and encouraging brand loyalty. Sorry. Since it makes a company more accessible to new customers and more recognizable for existing customers, social networking helps promote the brand, voice, and content. They also use social networking for providing conversation rates, building a following provides access to an interaction with new, recent, and old customers. Sharing blog posts, images, videos, or comments on social media allows followers to react, visit the company's website, and become a customers. So it's the same thing. BPW gonna talk about, I don't know, the weather. People gonna see it and gonna come and check your page, check what's going on there. Why are they talking about that? They're gonna read, and then they're gonna just like go on your page and see, oh, this is BPW. So this is how it works. Basically, same as a company, it's same as a business. So I have a few steps, 3 steps to tell you how exactly it works. It's not scientific, it's not like it's like that. Lou says that, no, it's just on my position. So step one, set up a data collection. Social data is information that's collected from social media platforms. It shows how users view, shares, engage with your content. Like on Facebook, social media data includes numbers of likes, increases in followers, or numbers of shares. So Facebook, they will see how many shares you have, how many likes you have. On Twitter, the results include the numbers of impressions or retweets. On Instagram, it will be the hashtags, um, usage, and engagement rates and included in the raw data. Step two, optimize your social content. One of your targets is to achieve the highest level of engagement as possible and means optimizing your social content according to your audience preferences. When you collect the social media, you'll be able to see which platform is the most popular among your public base. You can measure what type of social posts perform the best and what time of the day people are hanging out there. So you cannot post, or you have to find the time that people are online. You cannot just go and share at any time like a crazy person. In the morning, people now, first thing that they do, and it's sad, they take the phone. Before, we used to put the info, what's going on in the night, what's going on in the world, like we don't have the same time. But now, sadly, they take their phones before even say good morning. Yeah, that's happened a lot at home. So the morning, first thing in the morning. So you can post some stuff at 7, 8. Yeah, not 8, it's a little bit too late, but between 7 a.m., between 6 and 7, people sometimes are in their phones. And example, in during the day at 10 or 11, they always take a coffee break. So they go on Instagram, hashtag coffee. So, and they go online, check what's going on, For lunch also is a good time to post. During lunch, a lot of people take their phones. Even if you're surrounded with people, you're also going to take a look on your phone because you have a pause and you're going to go, oh, what's going on there? So it's also a good time. So you need to find what time they are there hanging, what time. You have a lot of sites, a lot of um, sites that are going to give you those kind of tips. So the step three, inform your content strategy. By identifying what your public are sharing and posting about, you can design a content strategy that will answer the questions and remedy the concerns. Actually, we all talking about COVID. So I know we all talking about this same topic. So we can use COVID-19 to create a content, to create a strategy around it, and people, you're gonna attract people to your page, and they will come to see what's going on. So every time they're gonna look for information about COVID, they can just, oh, I know BPW posts every day something about it. Let me go there. So pop, pop, pop. This is how it works, you know? People come and they're gonna check. We call that in marketing, it's inbound marketing, talking about what's going on around, and then it goes viral. You can see also whether they respond better to a professional or friendly tone. Your content strategy will be topical and applicable to the person's needs. 80% of people report that authenticity of content is the top influencing factor in the decision to follow a person or a brand. So you need to find out the strategy if it's working. So before I finish it, I need to tell you, none of that, it's science. So because every person is unique and has a different target demographic and story and competitive marketplace, no single social networking strategy works for everyone. So you cannot expect to everyone like and share your post. Some people not gonna look at it, and some people are gonna interact with you a lot. They're gonna like, they're gonna share, they're gonna like, oh, this is very nice. But you have to know that not everyone is the same. Not everyone follow whatever you think about or you share. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thanks, Lou, for a great presentation to our BPW colleagues around the world about social media networking and social media marketing and how we can apply the principles to our work as BPW members and clubs, and how we choose to be represented on social marketing, how we use it to draw members to our club, and maybe how we use it for advocating as well. So thanks again for taking us through all of the steps of that. Thanks too to you, our viewers, for coming to yet another of our videos in this series. We hope that you're enjoying them, learning from them, appreciating our young speakers, and that you're sharing it with your own affiliate and BPW colleagues. Thanks to all, and hope to see you here again soon. Bye for now.